Hi guys, so today I have a very special package from a very special company. They are one of our new sponsors. They are a clothing brand, so I'm just going to try on some of their clothes and I'll give you a quick montage. Alright guys, I'm only joking, I'm not going to montage that. But anyway, I'm just going to try on some of these clothes and I'm going to do a quick little unboxing for you guys. And this is the package they sent me, so let's just unbox this. So I'll just slide this out here. It's not coming off. Many hours of struggling, I have finally got the bag out of the box. I'm sorry, bag out of the box? What am I talking about? So anyway, this is the box they sent me. It says SuperDrift. This is like such a neat package, and also that bag, it looks really cool. But anyway, SuperDrift. Let's open this. Here we go. Very cool. Let me tilt the camera up so you guys can see that. SuperDrift, it says welcome Max Cotton. Smart little box. Open it up, and that's inside. Right, so let's just take the first thing out. SuperDrift stickers. Very nice. And I've also got this sick SuperDrift hat. Really cool. It's going to be comfy because it's really cold outside as well. And then I'm assuming this is a SuperDrift t-shirt. So I will try that on in a sec. All this stuff can be found in the link below. I will just link the SuperDrift website. And this, I believe, is a SuperDrift hoodie. Definitely going to try that on. Really cool. And also in here, I have many SuperDrift stickers. It's really cool. But anyway, this box, I'm not going to keep this box forever. It's really cool. So anyway, I'm just going to try some of these clothes on. Okay guys, so SuperDrift also sent me a discount code. It's 10% off everything on their shop. Really cool stuff on there. But anyway guys, the discount code is It's Max Cotton, same as my Instagram name, ITS Max Cotton. Alright, so firstly, I'm going to try a SuperDrift top on. This actually looks really good. There we go. Cool little t-shirt. Go and try that on now. Alright guys, so this is the SuperDrift top. Very nice. I'm going to wear this every day. I've been so excited to open this package. I didn't have time to record a video, so it's like really need to open it, but I couldn't because it all messed up all the boxing and stuff. But anyway guys, this looks really cool. Really happy with this. If you want to see more photos of this, there'll be some on my Instagram. And again, to buy some of these cool merch, all you have to do, follow the link below. There'll be a link to SuperDrift's web page. Okay, so when it gets a bit cold, because we're in the UK, SuperDrift hat, let's pop that on. Alright, so this is a SuperDrift hat. I never know how to wear hats, but you know, I'll figure it out. Very nice, nice and comfy. My ears are not going to get cold in this, and that is vital for the brutal winters of England. But anyway guys, I'm just going to try on the jumper. Alright, so I now have the SuperDrift hoodie on. It's very nice, and it has a hood, because it's a hoodie of course, and it has these little toggle things here. But anyway, this is actually a super comfy jumper. I think I'm going to wear this all the time for, again, the brutal winters of England. Anyway guys, that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to apply these SuperDrift stickers to my car very soon. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.